To see the user list, click Users tab from the sidebar. You can view the details and the tickets of a user by clicking the user from list. To see agent list, go to admin page and click the agents button under the general settings. Click invite agent button to invite a new agent. Type the email of the agent. You can assign a department and role and then put a validity for the agent. Click invite to send an invitation to the specified email address. Now the agent will receive an email and they can accept the invitation and log into your subdomain.